customer said that didn't come on. I flipped the breaker, it came on, but as I'm taking it apart, she's a little crispy. Oh, wow. Wow. That's melted. Now we got a little extra slack, which is good. Let me get into these elements here. Man, my nose is driving me nuts today. Digital thermostat. Let's see. Let's see what kind of ohm rating I got. That's 10.4. 10.4. Oh my God. Nose is driving me nuts. 10.4. Like retarded. I don't know if that 10.4, aren't they supposed to be like 18? Well, this is this is what? This is 5500 element. Don't know what 5500 element should be. So I know. Oh, that was a loose connection. Because I know, I'm pretty sure 4,000 elements or like 12? Can't remember. Oh yeah, they just jam it in there. Or it could be just all loose connection. I don't know. Come on, get out of there. That's 10. I'm thinking just loose connections. Both elements seem to be the same. What are the chances? They just jam the shit in there. Can't even get it back on the element. There's no wire. There we go. Let me get some wire nuts. Let's straighten this stuff out here. It's an awfully big wire nut. I don't think I would have put blues on there. It just melted through. I don't have much wire to work with. That sheathing don't want to come off of there. I think those blue wire nuts were just too big. You only got two 12s here. got some insulation down here that's a little charred. It's not through the insulation. Pretty crusty. Hopefully we can make this thing work. Just double checking my connections down here at the element. Now let's give it power. It's one of these computer controls, so oh, I hear something. It's pulling 22 amps. Let's see, is it at the bottom or the top? It is the top element. How is that possible? Did it shut off? It did. It's no amps now. Now it just clicked again. 22 amps. Give me a second, I gotta see what this thing's doing. Well, that was a exciting water heater. A little shocking what I found. Ha 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 ha. But when I first got there, the breaker was it was tripped, but it didn't look like it was tripped. So I reset it. The thing came on, believe it or not. But then I just hit the green field and that thing went pop. I didn't catch that on camera. You know, I just got to move the green field a little. that was it. It popped, so I knew where the problem was.
Turn right on Del Road.
So I shut the breaker off, tore that apart, and that's what I found. I think, I don't know, those wire nuts, those blue wire nuts, those are for larger wire. I only had 212s, 212 wires. You know, I had the 12 wire from the unit and the 12 wire from the service. So I mean, those blue wire nuts, those are made for, like, I don't know, bigger wire. And that might have been part of the problem, or they would work, but they weren't on there quite good enough. I think it was just a faulty connection that caused that problem. That's what it kind of looked like. Just a lot of heat and resistance right there. But did get it started up. It was pulling 22 amps. I think I showed you that, and it was pretty consistent. Both of those elements ohmed out at like 10 ohms. And hey, it was good to go. Can't complain. She said she had a power outage the other day, but I'm like, that the power outage is not going to cause that. That'd be kind of far-fetched, because she had problems with her water softener too because of the power outage. And she's like, well, it worked this morning and then it stopped working. She reset the breaker and never got a display. So I don't know. But as you see, yeah, I do know it had a wiring issue. So that's it for this one. It was kind of, luckily it didn't damage, you know, the water heater itself, because everything else turned on. It was fine. Alright, you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.